So we've done all the wooden parts now for every part down here. Obviously, when we come to assemble, we can assemble one part more than once. So this part, for example, is assembled twice. This will be assembled twice, and these parts will be assembled in twice. So now we're going to move on to the plastic parts, which are the red part here, the yellow part here, and then the wheels eventually. So we'll start with this, the red bar here. So again, so the way I do this is to draw a long thin rectangle, about 25 by 140. Then I use the circle tool, press C, go to the center of this line and draw up two circles. Draw another circle in the middle, which will be 12. Same over here. Then use the line tool, press L. I'm going to draw a line from here to here. Again, I'm going to select this, right click on it, and make it a construction line. Press C again for the shortcut of the circle. I'm going to find the center of that line and draw another circle in the center. So I'm going to roll in, so I'm just zooming in on this side over here. So again, I'm going to draw a circle anywhere sitting on the center line, but draw it any position. 12. Again, keep pressing C, entering 12, so I get two circles side by side, something like this. Then I'm going to press L. I'm going to draw a line from the top of this to the top of that. And you can see this little symbol appears, which means it's tangential to that edge. So again, over here, draw line straight out, so you get that. So now you've got the general idea of the shapes, but we need to dimension them. So let's dimension from here to here, for example. Let's make this 25. And then from the center of here to here, I'll make this 25. I'm not actually sure if they're the right dimensions. You can measure the object, you should have it in class, and it doesn't really matter. These dimensions can be anything as long as it's the same distance from here to here as from here to here, and it looks correct. So I've got a lot of lines here I don't actually need anymore. So I'm going to use a tool called the trim tool. You can press T or just go to the menu here under modify and choose the trim tool. And this will delete parts of lines you no longer need. So for example, this line, and so on. So you get rid of the lines you don't want. So all I need is that line. Then I do the same over here. Maybe you want to experiment and try some of the other tools, like the mirror tool, to mirror this over to this side. You can have a go at doing it yourself or find tutorials on Google. Just Google how do I use the mirror tool in Fusion 360. There's already hundreds of tutorials out there. So press line and do the same as before, from here to there. Making sure you see this little symbol appear. And then using the trim tool, press T. Again, the quicker you get used to using shortcuts, like T for trim, D for dimension tool, C for circle, L for line, and so on, the quicker the process will become. And again, dimension tool before I forget. So again, from here to here, make sure you're clicking on the center of those circles. And finish sketch. These are quite thin, say 3 mil. Other little details you could add is add little what's called fillets. So fillet to the edge of here, a small rounded off corner. It's very rarely plastic parts have a sharp edge. They usually have a tiny little rounded off edge. So I'm going to put one. You'll see it. Okay. Do the same on the other side. You can make them even less than 1 millimeter. In reality, they probably would be less than 1 millimeter. Click on OK. Now you have it. So save it. And that's it.